let me double check this, but I'm pretty sure I need to know what are the 4 different types of angles? Who can tell me the 4 different types of angles? Yep, that's today.
90-degree
Acute.
Acute.
Acute. I heard acute. I agree with you. What's another one?
Obtuse.
Obtuse. Very good. What's another one, guys?
Right.
Right angle. Okay. So we got acute, which of course, acute is going to be the smallest. Then you have right, which is 90 degrees. Obtuse, which is bigger than 90 degrees, but less than 180. Let's get the 4th one. What is the 4th angle? Let's think about this. 0 to 90's acute, then 90's right, then to almost to 180 is obtuse. What's the last one if it goes all the way to 180? Can't hear. It's a straight line.
For this announcement, but if we have any students that are juniors that are wanting to take the PSAT and had money to turn in today, please make sure you come to the office as soon as possible and get that turned in today. Thank you.
Yep.
So if it's a straight line, then we call it a straight angle. A straight angle is 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at some of our delta math that we're going to need to do for this. So the other thing that we need to know about angles is that angles are labeled by 3 letters. And those 3 letters are very important because when we're naming angles, GFB, the F in this case, its placement is in the middle. So F has to be in the middle of the angle. So G to F to B, GFB. So that would be this angle right here. And it's important to note that I can't just do BFG or GBF. Excuse me, thank you. The F, because it's in the middle, it's at the vertex. It's very important that we have that in the middle. So that's literally all we have to do for this delta math is be able to show which angle is which. So let's see here, FAD, F to A to D. So that angle right there. Any questions on how to do this delta math, ladies and gentlemen?
Nope.
Okay, so then let's go on to the next one. How do you measure an angle? It's measured in degrees, but how do I physically measure an angle?
Really loud.
Protractor, so like this guy here. Now, where do I need to put this protractor? Is it okay to put it here? Yes or no?
They said no.
No. Here. No, put it on the vertex. Okay. Where do I put this green dot? Like, it doesn't do me any good to put it over here, does it?
Straight up.
I could put it on L, but then the measurement area is in the wrong spot. Could I put it over here? Now, how big is this angle, ladies and gentlemen? About 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many?
75.
75. 75 would be more like right up in here. So go 2 more.
77.
77. Let's give it a whirl. There we go. Next problem. Here we go. All right. Whoa. Oh, by the way, if you guys need to zoom in on your pictures or zoom out, you can use the pinch on your touchpad, or if you have a mouse, you could use a scroll wheel. So here we go. Put it on 0. Line it up along one side. So I put the center at the vertex, one side. Now, how big is this? Now, I heard 91, I thought. It would be 91 or 2 if it were coming from this way, but since we're coming from here, 80, 88 maybe? There it is. Okay, so that's what you have for today. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see here. I did all the grades yesterday. I will update not yesterday. I did them on Friday. I will update grades tomorrow because again, we'll have another eligibility list coming out. So I'm going to do grades tomorrow. Make sure that you have your missing work caught up. Okay, make sure you're up to date and have everything you need. It is pretty easy to see, guys. It is pretty easy to see in Delta Math where you have, if you have something that's missing, because in Delta Math, log in. Clearly, we're down here. So Mr. Moore is missing this guy. I got way too many here. That's okay. Not enough here. I've only done 1 of 3. Make sure you are caught up and up to date. Okay. Make sure you are caught up and up to date on that. In Edpuzzle, you can also clearly see which ones are done. And every one of these has the title. You can always, of course, use our checklist that I gave you if you wanted. So if you get this done because today's so easy, you can move on to the next one because we'll talk about it tomorrow. Any questions?
Nope.
All right. If there's no questions, I will see you next hour, Ms. Yox.
All righty. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.